First, make yourself comfortable. Lie or sit down, whatever you prefer. Start getting aware of your breathing. And now slowly expand your breath by first inhaling deep into your lower belly and expanding to your rib cage and upper chest. Let go of your breath through the mouth. In a wave-like motion, deeply in, belly, rib cage, chest, letting go. Now take your last full breath, let go, and hold your breath. Dive deep into your consciousness. Right now, nothing needs to be fixed. You don't need to improve yourself in this moment. Let yourself feel what it's like to be here, before effort, before ambition, before becoming. Notice, being enough is not a finish line. It's a place to stand. Pause. Let the silence do some internal work for you. Now take a deep inhale and hold again. And let go. Return to deep breathing. Now take your last full breath, let go and hold. Wanting more does not mean something is wrong with you. Ambition can come in two forms. It can come from lack, or it can come from aliveness. See if you can feel the difference in body and mind. What changes when growth is an expression, not a compensation? Now take a deep inhale and hold. Take in all the sensations. And let go and return to deep breathing. Now take your last full inhale, let go and hold. Impermanence doesn't cancel meaning. It removes the pressure to arrive. If everything fades, then attention becomes the value. A precious moment doesn't need to last to be worth fully inhabiting. Presence and depth is more important than the duration of a specific moment. Now take a full inhale and hold. And let go and return to deep breathing. Now take your last full inhale, let go, and hold. Relax your whole body. The ordinary is not a distraction from purpose. It's where purpose truly lives. How you live now, how you meet sensations, how you stay present without needing more. This is the same muscle you use to build anything meaningful. So you can train your purpose. Let the body absorb this. And ask yourself, how do you want to show up in this world when no one watches? In the ordinary moments, in the moments in between. Now take a full inhale and hold. And let go. Return to deep breathing. Now take your last full inhale, let go, and hold. You don't have to choose between peace and progress. Light and shadow are already sharing the same space. You can rest and still move forward. You can accept yourself and still refine yourself. Let ambition be guided by presence. Let presence be strengthened by care. Let this sink in. Stay here for a moment, not trying to become anything, just allowing life to travel through you, to move through every vein of your body, and with silence, no resolution, no takeaway, just space. Now take a full inhale and hold. And let go. Return to regular breathing and just remain in stillness. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.